the controls, Laura, and I'll do the... Chris, you want that to cheer up at all?
No, it's okay.
Alright, I guess we're alright. Okay.
Wait, scoot it.
Alright. Come forward a little bit. Alright. I got you, honey. Will it go forward a little bit when you let her down? The arm. Or will it come forward a little bit?
Okay, wait. Just
Without straining.
I got this side.
We're probably pretty good. Mom's got the controls.
Good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, wait for it. How you feeling, Jen?
I'm in the sidecar.
This is going.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, yeah, just need to do that.
Just,
This is not plugged up here. It's on.
can this go sideways like that?
Yeah. Very stuck. Considering I wouldn't want to have
Okay.
your mom. They go faster.
Great.
We're gonna have to get some.
Was
new
it bumpy
shades.
at all? Yeah, it was a little bumpy. Some new shades.
Did you feel like you were gonna fall out?
No, not ever. I would recommend this for anyone.
When I rode in it, I thought I was gonna tip over the side.
That wasn't a question.
It was a comment. Any comments on my comment?
No. No comments on your comment.
All right then.